Welcome to our video on how to effortlessly transfer your playlists from Spotify to Musi. Let's make your music library seamlessly accessible. Musi is a fantastic music player with great features like offline access and a user-friendly interface. Let's dive into why it's worth considering. There are several methods to transfer playlists, from manual copying to using online services. But some can be quite tedious. The best method to transfer playlists is by using a reliable third-party tool. Let's explore this efficient approach. Now, I'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to use the recommended transfer tool. Follow along closely. To start, you'll need to authorize both your Spotify and Musi accounts to allow the tool access to your playlists. Once authorized, you can easily select the playlists you want to transfer and click on Transfer. It's that simple. Sometimes things may not go as planned. Here are some common issues and tips to troubleshoot them.